Oh, 5%? Yeah.
What's up? It's Jeff Turner and Lock. We came through, gotta do it. While they tick, we gon' hop. I mean, while they tick, we gon' talk. While they hip, we gon' hop. I'm hopping to the hip, I'm the shot, not the shit. That's the reason that I'm feeling like I'm showing you vision like you was just a fucking optometrist. On top of this, antimonous, niggas want a problem with me because I'm feeling like misogynistic. That's the reason that it's truly sadistic. I fucking hop on skateboards, then I do a kickflip. If you got a problem, nigga, I will break meniscus. Get tossing a discus, nigga, I will flip this. That's my word. I do my damn thing while I'm smoking sacred herbs. Burning this herbal essence. Why? To curb my aggression. I got the urge of a verb. This nigga think he fucking dope, I think I heard it before. You be owing niggas from the third to the third. I grab yo bitch and that bitch have a nourishment twerk. So yeah, motherfucker, this is what we do, making niggas look like suckers but not putting ourselves above them. Because no matter if they don't know what they do, we still love them. Giving it back to the people. I'm trying to do this thing right. My youth is not a sequel. It's only once. Goddamn, it's on. And let me pass this mic on to the Locksmith.
Yeah. Locksmith, Team Backpack, you know what it is. My man Jeff Turner, make some motherfucking noise. Yeah. Shout out to my man Jeff.
Hey.
Let me kiss the beat real quick. Yo.
Hey.
I ain't did this in a minute outside,
Hey.
you know what I mean?
Hey.
Look, I speak, I reap, I leap. Past your assumption, the company I keep can only be of people that push me to my peak. Developed the day I saw my cousin get murdered on my street. I see it clearly, you rap niggas disgust me. Acting oblivious till I leave, then you disgust me. People consider polished, won't acknowledge till it's deemed beneath. Till they see you reach past what they have, then they seem to speak. Seems to me that you seem to be in a pickle. Large fish, small pond, each metaphor is a ripple. Triple my output and outcome, and outcomes my dark past. Hard to grasp this bowling ball without thumbs. Now comes the part where people try to limit you. In this alley had to retaliate, now they grimace too. Explicit view of a scrimmage between the timid few that go against elitists that bleed us and use religion too. Niggas do what niggas do cause they feel they got to. I just do what I feel cause I know I'm about to surpass all of you niggas you said lice. Sleeping on me so long you developing bed lice.
Locksmith, Jeff Turner, we going on tour, baby, starting in August. Look for that
you
shit.
Already know,
I am locked.com.
JeffTurnerMusic.com. I am locked.com. 1,000 cuts.